Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my wig, and basically it's going to be like a hair get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we get into the video though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So make sure you go check out all those other videos after this one. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into doing this hair. So I'm gonna start by sectioning off my hair into two sections, because that's what I always do. I just part it into two to make things easier. Just like so. And then I'm gonna start on this section. I'm gonna start by spraying the Keratin 10 Thermal Protect Straight Styler, and this is the heat protectant basically. And I'm just going to spray that all over the hair. I'm not doing it like in any particular way, guys, just because I'm in a rush. But yeah, I'm just going to rake that through, and then I'm gonna use a brush and just brush out my hair a little bit, brush that through. It's important to use heat protectant regardless of what you're doing. Okay, so now that that section is brushed out, I'm gonna go ahead and today I'm going to be straightening my hair because I haven't had it like straight hair for a long time. So I'm gonna be using this Conair hair straightener. It's actually new. Yeah, the other one we had like broke. So, but I like this one. It's like really sleek and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to use this to straighten my hair, and I put it at 374. Hopefully that's enough. So what I will do, I'll start by sectioning, and I'm kind of taking like big-ish sections just because like I'm in a rush. So, and I don't need it to be like boom boom straight for now. I can always go back and fix it later. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush this section out again. Yeah, it's kind of a big section, but that hair straightener takes a lot. And I'm just chasing with the comb underneath, the brush underneath, just to help like make it like more like straighter. So this is what the section looks like. It's pretty straight. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that for this entire section. And I always start at the bottom and work my way up. I can already tell this hair straightener is like way better than the one we used to have. So I'm happy, because it seems to be doing a really good job. Okay guys, so I actually had to like kind of take a little break, but I'm back. And yeah, it's actually been a few hours and I did a few strands. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I'm just going to put the straight strands in the back. Anyways, like this section is over here, so it's not going to be like in the way. I had already like sectioned off this section, and you can always clip it too if you want to, but I'm not going to, just because most of the time I know. So yeah, I'm going to explain one more time just in case, you know, I didn't explain it right the first time. And I actually didn't like stick this ear tab really well, which is fine because no one was going to see that. But anyways, I have my section and I'm doing like medium large sections. I'm going to go ahead and brush it out. Obviously I already put the heat protectant on. So what I'm going to do is going to take my brush, go ahead like this, put the straightener, and as I'm going down, I'm going to brush down too, just to detangle and like, you know, separate the hair shaft. And then I always go with a second pass, since I'm doing like bigger sections. Like I feel like this part is wavy because I didn't. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do all over my head until I have no more hair to straighten. So I'm just going to fast forward the rest of this process. So I'm actually going to put it up at 410 because I think I usually use it at 420 or like 425 or something. I usually use the ones that go all the way up to like 450. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's why like I have to do so many passes, and I don't like that. Okay, so this is one side done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't had like straight hair in so long. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so I am done with straightening my hair, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I miss having my hair straight. But yeah, this is not the end of it. So what I'm going to do next, actually, I'm going to go ahead, and we're not done with this right like this. I'm gonna use a hot comb. We actually have a hot comb now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use it to just make sure everything is flat, but for the most part I feel like it's flat, and just help like put the little hairs in my face backwards and just like kind of put them in a direction, you know. So I just put it, there's 3 settings. When you press on the on button, you can press twice or 3 times to go, because there's only 3 buttons. I put it at the second one, and it's just beeping because it's actually like heating up right now. And we got this hot comb on Amazon. We actually got the hair straightener on Amazon too. I will try and find it and leave the link down below, but it wasn't that expensive, so I think it's a really good investment, and I can definitely see myself using it a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my hair. See, it's already hot, so I'm gonna go and use it on my hair. And be careful, because guys, you can get burned so easily. This hot comb really helps with the flyaways, like the little flyaways, just to redirect them in the right direction. So next I'm gonna go ahead, and I still have like a few flyaways. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and use some mousse just to help those flyaways like stay. At least my hair is like flat, so I'm gonna use this mousse from Garnier Fructis, and it's actually for curls, but since I'm only using it on the top, it's fine. Okay guys, so I also put a bit of that mousse over here and over here, just so like I don't have any like hair in my face. And then I went ahead with this little hot comb. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just brush. And I just like decided to do this little bump in the front just because I like it better. I don't like when it's like completely flat. I don't like that look on me. But yeah, this is pretty much how the hair looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this hair polisher and just put a little bit in my hands and rub it on the hair, and this is going to help give some shine. This hair polisher is from Organic Root Stimulator, and yeah, I use it a lot. If you watch this channel, you know that I'm always using this hair polisher just because it like gives good shine to the hair and stuff. So yeah, and after I put the polisher, I'm gonna go back with this a little bit and just make sure, you know, everything is doing good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you want to, you can also put some freeze spray. I don't do this anymore just because I feel like the freeze spray makes the hair like so hard, and you actually have to like wash it out for it to come out. But I used to like spray the little flyaways, but what works really well too is the mousse. The mousse like literally keeps the flyaways, so you don't have to do anything, you know? So guys, this is the end of the video. This is what my hair looks like, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy because I've been wanting straight hair for forever now. So, and I really like it. Like, it's been a long time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely comment down below what other hair videos you would like to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and join the family. And of course, you need to subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. She be mine, mine on level. She did on lazy. She be